Give me 5 minutes only, and I'll show you how I use Flova AI to create a cinematic automotive-style commercial from a simple idea.
A commercial like this would normally mean a videographer, a studio, and a full shoot day. Mine came together in one sitting inside Flova AI, using a single reference photo of a car.
AI commercial creation is becoming a genuinely useful skill for freelancers, marketers, and small business owners who want polished video content without a full production budget. That's what I want to show you today, start to finish. Here's a commercial I love the feel of. And here's what that looked like once I applied it to my own concept. I'm not reusing this brand's footage, assets, or exact scenes. I'm only using it as a reference to understand pacing, structure, and visual direction, and then I build something new and original from that inspiration. You might assume this took a complicated technical setup. It didn't. There's one tool doing almost all of the heavy lifting here, and it's not just another AI generator. Let me show you what it actually does.
It's called Flova AI. What makes it different is that it's not a single generator. It's a chat-based creative agent. You talk to it like a creative director, and it builds the shot. If you're stuck, you can ask it to brainstorm directions with you instead of staring at a blank screen. It also brings multiple leading AI video models into one connected workflow, so you're not juggling 5 separate apps and losing quality every time you export and re-import between them.
Quick note before we build. I'm using automotive as the example because dealerships already invest heavily in video content, which makes it an easy category to demonstrate. But this same workflow applies to restaurants, skincare, real estate, basically any business that rely on visual marketing.
Step 1. Start with a sample image. I'm using a sample car photo for this demo. If you're doing this for a real client or business, use your own product photos, licensed assets, or photos provided with permission from the business. Step 2. Sign up using the link in the description and get set up. Sign up takes minutes. Email, done. You get 100 free credits immediately just for creating an account, and exploring the platform unlocks even more credits on top of that. This is the main dashboard, and it's where everything happens. Planning, generating, and refining all in one place. Step 3. Before building from scratch, here's the fastest way to get a premium feeling result, even if you've never edited video before. You upload a reference video whose pacing and visual direction you like, along with your own car image and logo, with permission if it's a client asset. Flova AI studies the structure, the shot rhythm, pacing, and mood of the reference, and uses that as a creative starting point to build an original commercial around your image. Similar pacing logic and visual rhythm, but with entirely new footage, composition, and creative direction. This is worth learning first because you're not guessing what good looks like. You're using a reference purely to guide direction, while Flova AI generates something new. If you don't have a reference video handy, Flova AI has a skill library, ready-made workflows built for specific styles and formats. Go to Skills, Commercial, and for automotive, there's a dedicated skill already set up. This particular skill runs image generation and motion generation in sequence. Upload your car image, add a logo, describe the mood you want, and hit generate. Either path, reference guided or skill-based. Flova AI takes it from there. Once generation starts, you're working in a storyboard made up of individual scenes. You can chat your way through changes, and Flova AI will regenerate just the specific scene or shot you're adjusting, instead of redoing the whole video from scratch. You can also drop in additional reference clips mid-project if you spot something else you like. Flova AI lets you save key visual assets, so they stay consistent across scenes and future projects. That's what makes something like a logo placement in the closing frame feel intentional and branded, rather than like a generic template. And it's a big time saver if you're building multiple videos in the same style. Once you're happy with the individual scenes, you move into the timeline, where you arrange your clips, adjust pacing, add music or sound, and export the final video.
If you're a freelancer, content creator, or small agency, one way you could use a commercial like this is to show potential clients what's possible.
For example, you could pick a local business, create a short spec commercial using your own product photos, licensed assets, or photos provided with permission from the business, and share it with them as an example of the type of content you can produce.
Instead of sending a long sales pitch you're leading with your work, If they like the creative direction, it can naturally start a conversation about producing more content for their brand.
AI-generated commercials are only going to get more common, and the creative agent workflow, chatting your way to a final cut instead of manually editing everything, is a big part of why.
Link to Flova AI is in the description. Sign up and you'll get 100 credits immediately, plus up to 200 more just for exploring the platform. If you found this video useful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. The next video is for you. See you soon.